Today I'll show you my new water bottle. Water bottle. It's my lithium water, guys. There. Oh, delicious, guys. It's water. You can try it. Want to eat more water. Now this time is many water. Okay, now we're gonna do kunin that thing. Okay. Wait, where's my pencil? Okay, I'll show you what this is. It's right here. Good. It's a birthday. My little pony, my little pony. I know that. I just buy that in the MacBook. All of that little pony. I just buy that all. Wait, I just get on my fiance. Bro. Okay, look at the inside. It's notes. Sure. How about yes, draw? Let's draw people. That's my favorite to draw.
Yan lang, kasama naman tayo sa vlog ko yun.
Isend ko to sa CapCut. Nag-e-edit ako. Kahit bata ako, marunong pa ako. Kahit 6 years old ako, marunong pa ako. Tinuruan na ako niya at iba. Sabi ko na sa messenger na TikTok eh. Bro, you cannot answer. I can keep already 3 minutes now. Bye bye, guys. Part 2. I'm gonna select the hair. Okay. Today's already midnight. I'm still vlogging outside. I'm in pajamas. Hey. Hey, how should that bro? Ow. Oh, this is really hurts. Oh. punta ulit tayo kay asawa. Naman tayo bukas eh. Okay, knock out. Why the note is so sticky? This is what I'm doing. Okay, what I can do? Anong dapat magagawa sa mga vlog? Today, guys, we are going to build a secret room. Can you wear a secret room? First time. Who's that? Oh, that's Daddy's here. That is my friend. Sige na, punta here. Bawal daw siya kanina.
Ganda naman ang phone mo.
What?
Ano yan? Saan ang binili yan?
I don't know.
Ganda. Sino bumili yan?
Ako at si Mama.
Ganda mo ah.
Okay.
Hawakan mo na picture ang dito.
Nagbablog ako eh. Nagbablog ako eh. May sabihin naman. May sabihin naman. Don't build my secret room na. I need the things. Okay guys, I just massage it. Is it this 3 minutes? Okay, bye-bye guys. See you in the... This is part 3. Bye-bye. I'll get that accessories. Oh. Guys, bro. This is how I find it. It's a good news. No, this is a bad news. This is actually normal. A little pony. A little pony. Secret room time. Oh, bro. Langgam. Okay, guys. Wait for a second, guys. 1 minute na. Well, where I can put the secret room? I need to mess that. Bro! Hold on muna. Bro! I want that. Bro! Ay, kuhanap ako muna.
Ano yan?
Langgam.
Bakit yan ang pinunas mo?
Pero iba.
Tissue, saan ang kinuha mo? Lagay mo doon sa maramihan yan.
Yan na.
Leslie.
Okay, guys. Move. you guys. It's already 2 minutes and bye-bye. See you in part 4. It's part pa.
Ate Ash pala itong damit.
Ay, wait. Ano? Ano? Kung ano?
Yan. Sabi ni Ate Ash. Laki na ni Kisley ang pamilya ng damit niya. Tahahan. Saya kanina.
Saan yan?
Ate Ash niya. Ate Ash niya.
Ay, wait. Ito pa niyo. His TikTok. Hindi ko makakita siya sa follow ko. My little pony. Ay. Ouch! Where's gonna be the secret room? Oh yeah, alright. Here guys. I need a puzzle. Ma.
Ano ito gawin?
Hindi ako naman eh. Pwede ko. Okay guys. Now we get usag this contract.
Chinilas ko na sa ilalim.
I cannot go up there. There. Okay, guys. Now, do it right here. We're gonna do it right here. We're gonna do it here. Next, where's the heel? Kasi malilagay yung heel hook.
Well,
Okay, guys. Well, I just did that. Oh! Party pig. Oh, rich pig. Ah! May namitis na naman. Papunta na ata siya dito. Bro, isip ako. Bro. Ikaw. Isip doon na. Isip doon na. Oh, ubis mo marami space. Atis palit dako mo. Yeah. Wait, this is also making work, guys. Get out. Out. Oh. Bro. What is this? Bro. Ma, alis pa mo. Okay, guys. This is my. Oh my gosh, the secret room is not ready yet. Oh! I'm good. That's gonna happen. Bro! This is not enough, guys. Guys, I want you idea. How about this? Ma!
sige nga ba eh. Tapos mama, ayusin yung pagtupi yan.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, this is normal. I have a new idea. I have a new idea. We need just this one. Let's read this. Let's. Boom! It's a secret room. Okay, it's the secret room. No! You need to open the chair. Okay, guys. Now, let's start on here. Can I tap up to the cool? Oh, I tap up to the cool one. How do I use this? Fix this, bro. Bro. Yo, guys. I already fixed it. Let's go inside. Oh, yeah. I'm not done this. I need 2 months. Hey, guys. Now I'm ready. Ah. This is not good, guys. Ow. Shit. Ow. Guys, come in. It's so amazing. Another making for that. Okay, guys. Part 5. Just cut. I just patay the. Okay, guys. That's the inside. Come on. Let's go inside. It's so dark, guys. But, it's so bright. Oh. This is guys. I cannot do it. About anything. Oh, guys. Cannot do it. Guys. I cannot do it. My feet is already leg past through the puzzle. Guys, cannot believe this. This is, guys, I'm not done yet. Maybe everybody can kita it right, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everybody can kita it. No. I need another phone. What about that? Bro, guys. About, guys. I cannot find it. Okay, guys. I have a secret link lang. I need to do this bag to harang. Next, this chair to harang too. Because anybody cannot punta here. About here, that's about the heart. That's the easy can find it. I need to pass up first. Me first. Oh, for the con. Ow. 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 Guys, I can't believe it's so dark in here. And cannot fit in here. At least there's a bag. Oh my gosh, guys. Seriously. Bro. Hey, laptop. Can you do it? Okay. I can't believe. To me, it's just now. In the part 6. Part 10. That's the. I'll help my friend. She can find me. Bye-bye, guys. Let's help my friend now. Let's go. She can find me. She's over in Andrea. She cannot put in my house. I'll put her in the house now. This is Atara. Can find my house.
Kisle?
Saglit lang.
Ano to? Di ako makadaan.
Daan ka. Saglit lang nga. Pagkatapos ng part 10, part 7 na tuma. Ay, bawal hanggang part 10 dapat. Eh nga pala. Sinabi ko kanina guys, right? Bye-bye guys. Guys, hanggang part 8 lang tayo. Masisira ng bahay ko. Si Kuwa ang pagkain. Bye-bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bukas yung part 9 at 10. Bye-bye. Adopt is my friend is here. Oh, what's up? Bro. Guys, bye-bye. Wait, what minute is that? It's already worth 4,406. Joke lang. Ilan na nga to? 7. At dito kasi ako. Guys, bukas. Hindi tara. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Ouch! Sorry guys. See you next time. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hanggang 8 lang.